see this? This is not no John Bosco. This is swagger. What's that one? Silhouettes. My show. Hey guys, what's good, what's poppin'? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sosé here, back again with another video. And guess what this video is about? It's another hair tutorial. Like, I'm going to keep them flooding in like rainwater, like drops of money. Give me another metaphor. Is it metaphor? Give me another simile. Give me another metaphor. Like what? Like it's raining cats and dogs. Please. It's going to be raining money, raining cats and dogs, raining everything, raining bouncy curls, raining popping, you know. Okay, too much talk. Let's get straight into this video. Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to be working with Nadula hair again. I really liked the hair they sent me, the body wave wig. If you guys haven't seen the body wave wig tutorial that I did, you should go check it out up here in the cards and then come back to this video. But yeah, I'm working with Nadula hair. I didn't open the box yet, so you guys will get to see the first impression of this hair. So yeah, I'm gonna get my scissors and we're going to open this box together so you guys will know that I'm giving you my honest review, my honest thoughts. Yeah, it's a headband wig and we're gonna do this video in a different way, so keep on watching if you like to see how I style this headband wig from Nadula. Scissors, and we're going to destroy the box together. Actually not destroy, but you know. Okay, so the box is opened. I'm gonna show you guys what comes in the box. As always, it comes with just this headband. It's like animal prints, so it's cool. And then it comes with this wig cap. I have so many wig caps now, so I have so many. I'm gonna show you the hair first before we get straight into this video. Okay, so I believe this hair is, I don't even know. Yeah, it's 16 inches and it's a headband wig. Oh, it has another headband inside. The headband was in here. This one, yeah. Oh, I also have a different headband wig tutorial. If you guys have not seen that one as well, definitely go check it out up in the cards so you guys will see like my first time trying a headband wig. So this is like my second time. And yeah, so this is the headband wig. It's 16 inches. It's I think it's kinky curly. I would leave the information up here if I find it, but this is what it looks like. First impression, I like the curls. The curls are pretty much good. Like, they're keeping their curls. As you can see, I'm raking my hands through the hair and it's like it's passing through. It's soft and it's also like the curls aren't destroying, if you get what I mean. Like, it's not freezing out, it's just staying the way it is. As you can see, it sheds a little bit. Like, it pretty much sheds. It sheds quite a bit, but you always expect hair to shed, and it doesn't shed as much anyways. And then it has the headband side to it, and then it comes with these straps. So we're gonna put this on and we're gonna see how it fits on me. It also comes with combs right here. 1, 2, 3, For combs, I usually don't use the combs because my head, see this head is huge, is big, so I usually don't use the comb. But if you have a smaller head shape, definitely this will help in securing down the wig. But yeah, so far so good. The hair is full and I feel like we can make something work with this. So let's throw this on. I was laying down my baby hairs. Actually, this one is not that. I'm gonna use the clips this time because it's not that. It's not that small. Woo! I'm just gonna fluff the hair out. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. This is literally so pretty. Sorry guys, I like to scope myself so I make sure it's looking really, you know, looking popping. Yo guys, this is so pretty. Like, it's so natural. Like, look at this. Oh my gosh, like I really love how natural the curls are looking is looking. Literally, I can use this hair as my everyday hair. I can actually wear this one anywhere I want to go, whether it be school, whether it be like to work, whether it, oh my gosh, this hair is so pretty. It's so pretty. It looks so natural. Man, Nadula did a good one. They did a good one with this. I'm telling you. Can you see? It's full as well. Literally so full. Literally so stunning. Like, okay, too much. Anyways, let's try on the headbands. And then I'm gonna do a couple of styles with this hair so that you guys can see the different ways that I plan to style it. So I'm gonna try on this headband first. I think this is super cute, like it's simple. So we're gonna put it on. Hopefully my makeup doesn't stain the whole thing because it's white. Okay. Okay, now to put it back. Trouble. It's gonna stain! It's gonna stain. I think it's stained. Anyways, we'll throw it in the washer. Ooh, I love this. I literally love this. This headband is so cute. Like what? Okay, I'm gonna do the first style with this headband so you guys will see like a style that I can do with it. Obviously you can wear it like this to go out to school, blah blah blah, but I'm gonna also do something else, like a different style of how I'm gonna, like, you know, gas this thing up, because we're not doing basic with this hair. We're going all out with this hair because this hair deserves to be all out. It's looking like bohemian English. What's that? What's the word? It's looking like bohemian curls. Exactly. That's it. That's what it's looking like. Like, it's so bossy. Ooh. Come on. Wait, let me go and bring hair ruffles and stuff. We're gonna spice this thing up. Give it a little bit of jazz. Style is the half up, half down style. See yourself wearing this? Do you see yourself wearing this out? Like, what? Look at this. This is a look. It's an actual fit. Also throw this on with some shades, you know, for the summer, when the summer comes, or even for the spring, even for now. Like, you can literally throw it on. Don't talk to us anyhow. You see this? This is not no John Bosco. This is swagger. Femile baby, femile baby, femile. Moshe my baby, femile. Moshe my. Dum 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 dum. Femile, femile baby, femile. Moshe my baby, femile. Moshe my baby, femile, baby. What's that one? Silhouettes. Wait. Silhouette. My show. Challenge. So this is the next band we're gonna try on. These headbands, they're so small, so you just gotta make do, you know. So this is the second one. This one I think is leopard print. This is what it looks like. Guys, like, look at my edges. They're late, bro. Okay, so I'm gonna do the next hairstyle. So actually I need to bring out, give me a sec. I'm gonna bring out like a little bit. Oh, the curls of this hair, they are sheep popping. They are literally sheep popping. Okay, so I'm gonna do like a swoop, like Saweetie's swoop. Just gonna put it back here. You can either wear it like this, or you can put it, you can put some upward. You can either put the whole hair upward or you can put some downward. You can wear it like this. Obviously here needs to be a little more flatter. I think I love this one. You can also take everything upward. Also went ahead to like move this part to the side, giving it like a bang as well. That's another style. This look is popping, she popping, you know? Like this look is a look, so I had to close with this. And let's get into the pros and cons. I don't really have cons for this hair, because this hair is giving. If you want to talk about density, this is your hair, okay? If you want to talk about save your edges ministry, this is the hair, literally. You see, if you also don't have edges, you see the way I did it right here, good to go. That's it. That's just it. If I want to say cons, maybe it sheds a little bit, but I think we need to stop adding shedding into this, especially when the shedding is not a lot. This hair doesn't shed a lot. It's even very soft. Like you can literally just rake your hand through. The shedding is not too much. It's not too much. But yeah, that's every single thing, guys. This hair is my hair. Monday morning like this, I don't have time to be gluing down wig where it got to be. This hair, we're moving, literally. I can literally style it. You saw the half up, half down that I did. That would be my style some days. This one, my style some days. Packets, my style some days. Good to go, okay? Thank you guys for watching this video, and thank you Nadula Hair for sending me this bomb ass headband wig. This is the best headband wig I've tried so far, and I'm in love. Nadula Hair doesn't, like, they didn't come to play, okay? And this is the Nadula Hair Amazon store, so I'm really shook. I'm actually shook. I'm shook it. Okay guys, so all the links will be in the description box if you'd like to purchase this wig. Follow me on Instagram, follow Nadula Hair Amazon on Instagram and Nadula Hair on Instagram, and obviously like, comment and subscribe to this channel, as well as share with a friend, tell a friend so they can see me and see the content that I put out for you guys. So thank you guys once again, and I love you guys so much. Stay blessed, stay successful, stay everything great. Guys, I just want to first of all say, before I get straight into this video, that I'm so obsessed with you guys. What am I saying? Anyway, this one I think is it leopard?